Riot Vanguard, a prime example of a kernel-level anti-cheat system designed specifically for Valorant. It operates at the deepest levels of the operating system, known as Ring Zero, granting it unprecedented access to monitor system activity before any other software. Thanks to its kernel integration, it can detect direct memory access vulnerabilities that standard systems fail to spot. It starts running at system boot to block malicious drivers. Easy Anti-Cheat. Developed by Epic Games, it is the industry standard for titles like Apex Legends and Fortnite. It tracks game processes within the system memory to detect code injections or unauthorized modifications. It goes beyond simple file scanning to look for non-human inputs, such as superhuman reflexes or pixel-perfect tracking. Despite its efficiency, it can be bypassed by sophisticated cheats operating at the kernel level outside its range of vision. Faceit. Dedicated to elite competitive environments like Counter-Strike. It uses a standalone client to provide maximum security, relying on advanced algorithms to analyze player patterns and identify abnormal aiming or movement that deviates from professional play. It integrates a robust reporting mechanism that uses community reports as data to improve detection models over time. Valve Anti-Cheat, the famous system protecting Counter-Strike and Dota 2. It compares injected files against a massive database of known cheat signatures. It is notorious for not banning cheaters immediately. Instead, it utilizes a honeypot effect, delaying bans to prevent cheat developers from knowing exactly when or how they were detected. BattlEye. Used in massive games like PUBG and Rainbow Six Siege. It is known for proactive scanning, updating its detection algorithms in real time during gameplay to adapt to new threats. If you are caught cheating in one game protected by it, you are often banned across the entire ecosystem of games using the software, serving as a powerful deterrent. Ace Anti-Cheat. Dedicated to the Minecraft community, it is the ideal choice for server-side protection. Instead of scanning the player's device, it analyzes data packets sent to the server. It detects inconsistencies, such as increased reach or auto-clicking, by comparing the player's actions against the physics laws of the original Minecraft engine.